Most companies are facing up to the fact that the global economy is entering a new era, one which is less focused on pure efficiency and more towards the development of greater resilience and the pursuit of new and sustainable growth. This is not only in response to the acknowledgement that we live in a world of continuous disruption, but also an appreciation that the fundamentals of our global economy have shifted to now include new consumer and customer pools, emerging suppliers, and alternative talent pools, all of which need to be considered with a greater focus on ESG and connected with more advanced technological solutions to maintain competitiveness and capture new growth. PwC's international growth practice is a global team supporting companies to not only identify new pockets of growth, but also help them to transform their global business models to be more rebalanced and resilient. This may involve identifying a new manufacturing site, rebalancing a supplier portfolio, or capturing new pools of talent. Our global location analysis team evaluates and identifies the most suitable locations for new manufacturing sites, regional HQs, and R&D facilities. And having accompanied a client to visit a short list of sites, we will then work with our local tax and incentive teams to support incentive negotiations with local government agencies. Supply chains are changing, evolving from a focus on efficiency to now heightened resilience and proximity to key consumers. Our supply chain professionals bring deep sector expertise to help our clients rebalance their supply portfolios across various jurisdictions. Talent is probably the most prized asset of any business. In an era of tightened talent availability and a high demand for new skills, our global talent strategy team supports companies to review their talent portfolios and provides seasoned advice as to how to best identify, capture, and retain new talent across several countries. So, if you're seeking new growth opportunities or aspiring to rebalance your global business model, do reach out to our international community of solvers. We really look forward to hearing more about your ambitions and sharing some of our experiences. Thank you.